Hey guys, myself here. Welcome back to the channel. Now today I wanted to share with you guys a few lightweight iPhone modifications for you to customize your iPhone. You guys seem to really enjoy these videos, so I wanted to share with you guys additional lightweight modifications. You're not going to need a jailbreak or anything like that. These will be super simple. Links will be in the description down below for everything. But as always, if you would like to stay up to date with the latest iOS news and Apple software updates, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you turn on those notifications so that you don't miss another episode. Now, the first thing I wanted to share with you guys are two custom wallpapers. Now, these won't be just any regular wallpaper. These two wallpapers allow backgrounds to blend in. For example, this white wallpaper here allows you to blend in anything that's white into the background. So for example, if you have white icons, as you can see right here from the Photos app, it blends right in with the background, so it doesn't look like your standard squared icon from the home screen of iPhone. Same thing applies with widgets. As you can see right there, the background has just simply blend in there. Looks really cool. Same thing applies to files, the home icon, and the health icon. So something super easy, super lightweight. Applying this wallpaper allows you to blend in anything that's white into the background. Now again, not just any white wallpaper will do this, but this one has a specific configuration that allows this to be possible. Now there's also a dark version of this wallpaper, and this one does something slightly different. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the dark wallpaper here and show you what's different about the dark wallpaper. Again, not just any wallpaper. This one has a specific configuration that allows this to happen. I want you to take a look here at the folders. You can see right there that this wallpaper allows the folder background to sort of blend in. So if you have a folder on your home screen, it looks like the folder background isn't there. The icons sort of look like they're floating right there, right on the springboard of iPhone, as you can see right there from all these folders on the springboard. Now also take a look at the dock. As you can see, the dock has completely disappeared. So if you're into customizing your iPhone, lightweight modifications with wallpapers, these two will allow you to get custom experiences on your home screen. Very easy, very simple. Again, links will be in the description down below. Now for this next modification, if you're into customizing your iPhone's lock screen and you like the old school iOS 6 lock screen, then you're gonna really enjoy this one. Now of course you're not gonna get the slide to unlock, but the UI on the lock screen from iOS 6, you can bring it onto your iPhone now. And this one, of course, as I mentioned, will be linked in the description. You can go to this website right here and just go all the way to the bottom and then download a classic lock screen. It's going to bring you to the Shortcuts application, and again, with just a few simple taps, you have a custom lock screen. So let's go ahead and add that to the Shorts application. That's what my lock screen looks like right now. So I'm going to go ahead and run this shortcut here and just simply tap into the shortcut, let it run. It's going to ask you a few questions. Just simply click allow on these questions, and this will allow you to have this custom lock screen on your iPhone that resembles the iOS 6 lock screen. I think it's super clean, super nice looking, simple, easy, lightweight modification. Again, with the Shorts application and a shortcut, you can simply implement this really nostalgic, if you will, lock screen on your iPhone. And obviously the buttons do work right here, but you don't get the slide to unlock. Obviously this is a lightweight mod, but I think it's super clean. And if you apply the iOS 6 wallpaper, I think it kind of completes the look. So let's just go ahead and do that here. Let me show you how to implement that, just like so. There it is, the classic iOS wallpaper right there with the lock screen. Just blends right in, looks super cool. Now you have to go ahead and apply the shortcut after every wallpaper. So let's go ahead and run it again here. Let me go ahead and show you how that works. So once you change the wallpaper, the mod just goes away, but it comes right back if you run the shortcut just like so. And as I mentioned, with the iOS classic wallpaper, just completes the look. Super clean, super simple, something that I think you're really going to enjoy if you like lightweight modifications. Now last but not least, I'm going to show you how to get the clock on the lock screen to appear on the bottom portion of your lock screen. I'm sure you've noticed this throughout the video, so I'm going to show you how to do this on your iPhone. It's fairly simple. The first thing you need to know is that you do need Face ID to be enabled with a passcode. Once you do that, obviously you want to go into settings, you want to go into Face ID and passcode, you want to enter your passcode, and once you enter your passcode, you want to scroll down until you find the option that says Today View and Search. This option will most likely be on. You want to go ahead and turn that off, and then you want to go back into the lock screen of your iPhone. So let's go back into the lock screen here, and let me show you how this works. So you want to stay away from Face ID so it isn't unlocking on its own. You want to make sure that it is locked, and then once Face ID isn't detecting your face, you want to swipe down on the lock screen just like so, and you want to bring the clock towards the center of the screen. Keep holding on the screen just like so while swiping up from the bottom to reveal the actual passcode screen. Again, Face ID has not detected my face. I want to enter the passcode, And once you enter your passcode, the clock should be on the bottom portion of your screen, just like so. Fairly simple, but again, something that's going to be unique. You can show your friends and be like, hey, look, my clock is on the bottom portion of the lock screen. Now, unfortunately, if you lock your device and reboot your device, this will go back to normal, will go back to the top. But right now, you can see I can play around. I can go through the icons here. I can play around with the home screen just like so, and nothing happens. The clock just stays there. This is something that's fairly simple to do. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching today's video, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.